Mm.
Hi everyone. Hello. Thank you all for joining. Okay. Hi Supriya. Okay, let's get started. Yeah. Hi viewers. Welcome to Viva Indian Designer Boutique and today's live show. This is Vinaya Gopasetti. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. And I hope you all had wonderful Dasra celebrations last week. And now we are gearing up for Diwali festival. I know this year is little different for all of us coming to the festivals and the celebrations, but we are trying to celebrate as best as we can. And please do let me know about the audio and the video, if it is clear or not. And today I am also using my new microphone, and let me know if I sound more clear, and hope it helps. And thank you all for taking time and joining our live shows every week. Um, it's very nice to see not only the Bay Area, from the Bay Area, California, and many of them are joining from different states of US. And thank you for sharing your feedback and sharing your beautiful comments. Thank you once again for the wonderful response for our last week live show. Pochampalli Ikat silk sarees. We received a lovely comments and great feedback on that collection, and most of you loved the color combinations, weave patterns, designs, and many of them, some of them who purchased, they stopped at our boutique to pick them up, and who purchased from different states, we already shipped the sarees to them. Thank you for the great feedback on that collection. It really helps me, encourages me, and motivates me. And yeah, before yeah, some of you even last week had asked and had shown interest for the Patan Patola sarees. Those are the double ikat silk sarees and are made woven in the place Patan in Gujarat. Those are very rich and beautiful, and they have very intricate weave, and also very expensive. Nice to see some people showing interest for that collection and asked me to showcase that collection. Since they are very expensive, I will plan a live show with a limited collection of Patan Patola, and also will try to include Rajkot single ikat and Pochampalli double ikat collection. I will update about that collection on the live show date. Before I start, I'll quickly, the people who joined for the first time viewers, I'll quickly share about Vibha. Vibha is my signature label, and our boutique is located in Sunnyvale, California. You can find our address on Google or on our Facebook page or on Instagram and on our website as well, vibha.us. The address is also displayed on the monitor here. It is 998 East El Camino Real. We are in the second floor of the building, Sunnyvale, California. So I design Indian ethnic wear, bridal wear, Indo-Western contemporary styles for women. We also have limited collection for kids and men. We have different collections available at our boutique. If you want, you can stop by at our boutique and check them out and purchase. Or if you live in other states, you can call us and schedule a virtual video call appointment so that we can show designs through video calls. And if you want, you can check out our website too. Some of the products are updated on our website, which is vibha.us. And we also take custom orders. We do custom orders for your weddings and all your special occasions. If you have any custom order in mind, you can stop by at our boutique to meet me in person, or call us, or email us also to discuss about your custom order, so I can design and get it done as per your requirement and budget as well. And today, as I mentioned, coming to today's collection, I'm going to showcase exclusive Gadwal silk sarees. To share few points about the Gadwal sarees. Gadwal sarees are so beautiful, and those are known for their rich, beautiful look and brilliant color combinations, and also the intricate, beautiful zari work. These sarees are woven and made in the place called Gadwal, Jobilamba, Gadwal district, Telangana state in India. Back in those days, like in 1949 and all, these Gadwal sarees are mainly woven in earthen colors, and the traditional feature of the Gadwal saree used to be like the body of the saree woven in cotton, and the borders and the pallu woven in silk. But now the Gadwal sarees, pure silk Gadwal sarees, are woven and are available to purchase along with the Gadwal cotton and also Gadwal Siko sarees. Siko is the combination of the cotton and silk. And if you see the traditional motifs used on these Gadwal sarees are inspired from the South Indian architectural designs, like lotus, peacock, and so many other motifs. And so these Gadwal saris are they come in beautiful combinations with elegant and brilliant contrast borders, and they have very fine weave and easy to drape and suitable for all age groups. Basing on the blouse pattern, it's suitable for all the age groups and for all occasions. And today I'm going to showcase a few exclusive beautiful color combination Gadwal silk saris. And like every time, I will the sari details, the code and the price details. This time we have the monitor here. It will be displayed on the monitor, the code and the price details. So yeah, so we are trying to have the setup which is helpful for all of you and for us too. So the details will be displayed here. And if you like any of the sari, please make your booking by sending a WhatsApp message to our WhatsApp number, which is 408-338-8147. You can send the message with the sari code and if possible the screenshot with the details. That helps to process your order quickly. After the purchase, if you want, you can stop by at our boutique to pick up the sari, or we can ship to the given address. So again, all these saris, like they come with ready to wear blouses, and all the saris are done fall and pico. The blouses are usually made in standard measurements like 36 and 38, and you have enough room to adjust your required sizes. So let's get started. Yeah. First I will start the collection with the sari what I'm wearing. I explain the sari, and if you are, and this is available to purchase. If you are interested, you can send the WhatsApp message. And this is a beautiful combination, this navy blue and pale green combination, pure Gadwal silk sari. And if you see the body of the sari, you have the checks in silver jari. All over the body you have silver checks, and the temple borders. Border is in light pale green. The borders are in gold jari. It is very soft and very lightweight sari. Gadwal saris are all very lightweight, and the jari, the jari checks are in silver jari. This is the pallu. And this is very simple and elegant style. And this sari, it comes with this blouse. This is pale green style color with elbow sleeves. You have the border at the hem of the sleeves. And this is the back of the blouse. Keyhole cut dori you have to tie, and the handmade tassels. This is how the sari and the blouse looks. That's the pallu. Navy blue and pale green combination. And details here are, the code is VGS 18. Today's sari code is VGS. So code is VGS 18 and the price is $245. And the next sari, this is a beautiful combination. It's like a deep off-white, you can also say dull gold and red combination. All over the sari you have gold jari booties. The booties are all there all over the sari, and the borders are in red color. It's temple borders in gold jari. And this is the pallu, very beautiful weave in gold jari. And the saree looks like this. This is how the saree looks, and this is the pallu. Beautiful combination. It's a temple borders, and the blouse is in red color. It's a round neckline in the front with elbow sleeves and the zari borders of the sleeve hem of the sleeve, and this is the back. This is how it looks. Very soft in gesture. This is very lightweight. They look very rich and grand, but if you see, they are very lightweight, the Gadwal sarees. And the saree code is VGS01 and the price is 245. The code for this saree is VGS01 and the price is 245. And the next one is this is a pure Gadwal silk Ganga Jamuna sarees. I know some of them requested for these style of designs in Gadwal. They messaged me last time. These are all the Ganga Jamuna sarees. It's like basically these body will be in one color, and the top border is in one color and the bottom border is another color. Two borders will be in two different colors. That's how it says Ganga Jamuna borders. This is a nice lime green color. The body of the saree is in lime green, and you can see gold jari booties all over the saree. And the top border is in pink color in gold jari, and the bottom border is in black color in gold jaris. It's a beautiful combination. And coming to the pallu, this is in black color. It has beautiful gold jari, very nice weave. You have mango paisley and the floral jari. And the saree, it looks like this. This is how the saree. And this is the pallu. And the blouse for this is in black color. This is in black color with jari borders on the sleeves, and it's like a round neck, and this is the back of the sleeve, blouse. This is how it looks, saree and the blouse. And the code for this saree is VGS02 and the price is 265. Code for this is VGS02 and price $265. This is the saree and the blouse. Those who like Ganga Jamuna borders, so they can check out these designs. And the next one is also in Ganga Jamuna border. This is in beautiful pink. The body of the saree in pink, and the top border is in black, and the bottom is in off-white. If you see the body of the saree, you have nice floral motifs all over in gold jari, and in the center of the motif you can also see silver jari motif booty. This is how the whole body of the saree. nice gold zari weave on the borders. And this is the pallu. Pallu is in off-white color with the gold zari weave. Very nicely done. So the saree looks like this. This is the saree and this is the pallu. And the blouse for this is in off-white color, matching to the pallu and the bottom border. Zari borders at the hem of the sleeves. These are elbow sleeves, and the back is like this with the zari tassels. So the sari and the blouse looks like this, and this is the pallu. And the code for this sari is VGS03 and the price is $265. If you like any of these saris, you can send us a WhatsApp message to our WhatsApp number that is also displayed on the monitor. It's 408-338-8147. And the next one, this is beautiful combination. It's bottle green. The body of the saree is in bottle green, and you can see the checks, and all over the saree you have checks in gold zari, and in the checks you can also see both the beautiful gold and silver zari motifs. All over the saree you have these motifs both in gold and silver zari. And if you see the borders, you have beautiful peacock concept borders on both the sides, and the bottom border is little bigger than the top one. You have very nice gold zari weave at the bottom, and at the top these are the borders. And this is the pallu of the saree. It's in dark magenta pink. You can see the meenakari work on the pallu of the saree. It's a beautiful elephant and peacock motif concept. And the saree looks like this. It's very beautiful. And this is the pallu. These are all pure zari. All are pure handlooms. And the blouse for this saree is in dark magenta pink. You have the zari lines on the body of the blouse and complete zari border sleeves. Round neck in the front, and this is the back. You have dories and the handmade tassels. This is how the saree and the blouse looks. And this is the pallu. And the code for this saree is VGS04 and the price is $315. The code is VGS04 and the price is $315. This is how it looks. Beautiful green and dark magenta pink combination. And as I said, all the sarees are fall picot done, and the blouses you have room inside. And the next saree, it's in beautiful combination, blue and pink, dark pink. That's a pure silk Gadwal saree. It's very soft in texture. If you see the body of the saree, all over the saree you have the gold jari weave in floral design. And the borders, you have gold jari weave. It's in floral motif concept. And this is the pallu. Pallu is in pink color with gold jari weave. Very beautiful weave. Very light in weight, the sarees. Easy to drape as well. This is how the saree looks. And this is the pallu. And the blouse for this saree is in pink color, dark magenta pink. It's like a boat neck in the front, and the jari sleeves, elbow sleeves. And this is the keyhole cut with the handmade tassels. And this is how the saree and blouse looks. And the code for this saree and the price is VGS05 and the price is 265. The code is VGS05 and price is 265. And the Gadwal sarees weaves are so fine. They are so fine and light. The interesting fact of these Gadwal sarees, they can be folded and packed in a matchbox. That's how the weaves are so fine and light. And the next saree, this is a beautiful combination. It's a peach and purple. If you see all over the saree, again this has a nice gold jari weave in floral concept. All over the saree you can see that weave, gold jari weave. And the borders are in purple color in gold jari or floral creepers concept. And this is the pallu. Beautiful weave in gold jari. And the saree looks like this. This is the saree. And this is the pallu. And the blouse for this is in light purple, nice U-shaped neck in the front and the zari borders on the sleeves. And this is the back. This is the sari and the blouse. And the code for this sari is VGS06 and price is $265. VGS06 and price is $265, and this is the sari and the blouse. Please leave a comment to share your feedback. How are you guys liking today's collection and the color combinations? Which saree you like the most and which type you like? Share your feedback and comments. And the next saree is, this is ikat design on ikat weave on Gadwal sarees. So this is a new trend, new fashion in Gadwal sarees. If you are aware, you know Gadwal kalamkari, printed Gadwal sarees, and this ikat are so much in fashion now. So this is a light ice blue body, the body of the Gadwal saree. It is in ice blue, light blue, and it's a pure silk. And the zari borders are in black color with the gold zari, and also green color weave you can see at the bottom along with the black. This is a nice ikat geometric pattern. If you remember last week's collection, Pochampalli ikat, this is the traditional ikat weave design. So look at the pallu. The pallu has very beautiful weave. Pallu is in black color. It is in gold zari weave. These are so much in fashion now. These are new arrivals. This is how it looks, the saree. And this is the pallu. And the blouse for this is in black color, and if you notice the blouse, it is not plain, it has motifs, booties in gold and silver zari. And nowadays the Gadwal blouses with checks, the body of the blouse with checks or booties or motifs are in so much in fashion, and they have elbow sleeves. And this is how the saree and the blouse looks. And this is the pallu. And the code for this saree and the price is VGS07 is the code, and the price is $395. VGS07 and price is $395. Do let me know if you have any questions regarding the today's collection about weave or anything like that. I will reply to all your questions right after the show. And the next saree is also in the same concept. Ikat weave on Gadwal. It's the body is in light mint green color. All over the sari, the body you have the ikat, traditional ikat geometric pattern. And the borders are in black color in gold jari. You have you see lotus and the floral concept on the borders. And the pallu is in black color. Again, it has a very beautiful weave in the pallu like the previous sari. This pattern and this design is new in the market in Gadwal styles. And the sari looks like this. This is the sari. And this is the pallu. And the blouse for this is in black with the gold jari booties all over. And sleeves you have the same jari borders like the sari borders. And this is the back of the blouse. And the sari and the blouse, it looks like this. And the code and the price for this one, this is VGS08 and the price is 395. VGS08 and the price is 395. And the sari blouse looks like this. Yeah, share your comments in the comment box. How are you guys liking today's collection and what you would like to prefer to see in Gadwal also? Like you like a Ganga Jamna borders or the temple borders. Any styles you would let me know. And the next sari, it is a beautiful combination. This is like olive green and peacock blue. All over the sari you see these motifs, floral motifs. It's in gold jari. And if you look at the borders, you have beautiful peacock concept border in gold jari weave, and you also have silver jari weave on the borders. Both the borders are in equal length. And this is the pallu. It has very beautiful weave. In gold jari. And the sari looks like this. These are pure pattu, pure Gadwal pattu saris. Very soft in texture, very light in weight. This is how the sari looks. And this is the pallu. This is the beautiful combination. And the blouse for this is in peacock blue. Is the round neck in the front and the elbow sleeves. Same jari borders like a sari borders. And this is the back of the blouse. So this is how it looks, both sari and blouse. This is the pallu. And the code for this saree is VGS09 and price is $275. VGS09, price is $275. And the next saree, it is in it's like a sea green and a light purple combination, and you see the checks all over the saree. The checks are in silver zari, and you can also see gold zari motifs in between the checks. And if you look at the borders, they have nice silver zari peacock motifs. And this is the pallu. Pallu is in light purple color, and you have the silver zari weave here. You can also see the Meenakari Butta in the peacock motifs. And this one, the saree looks like this. This is the saree. And those are both the sides, the bodice, and this is the pallu. And the blouse for this one is in light purple color, like the borders of the pallu of the saree. The body of the blouse, you can see the checks, and the sleeve is like this with the peacock motif. And this is the back of the blouse. The saree and the blouse looks like this. And the pallu. And the code for this saree is VGS10 and the price is $275. VGS10 and the price is $275. Yeah, if you like any of these sarees, so please make the booking immediately by sending the WhatsApp message to our WhatsApp number, and share your feedback in the comment box. How are you guys liking today's collection and the color combinations and about the weaves, whatever you feel like. And the next one, it's a beautiful combination, bright combination. It's off-white and cobalt blue. If you see all over the saree, you see the leaf motifs, floral motifs all over in gold zari. And the borders are in cobalt blue, beautiful contrast. You can see the gold zari weave and also the silver zari weave in the borders. It's a temple border, traditional style of the Gadwal saree. And the borders, you have the floral creeper concept. And this is the pallu. Pallu is in gold zari weave, very beautiful. Very fine weave. And this one looks like this. This is the sari, and this is the pallu. And the blouse for this is in this blue color, cobalt blue. It's like a boat neck in the front with the jari borders at the hem of the sleeves. And this is the back side of the neck. And the jari tassels, handmade jari tassels. And the sari and the blouse looks like this. And the details for this one, the code is VGS11 and the price is $299. VGS11 is the code and price is $299. And this is how the sari and the blouse looks. Dirpal sarees are known for their beautiful color combinations. If you see, the body is in one beautiful color and the borders and the pallu are in beautiful and elegant contrast borders, and they have the very fine and intricate jari work, beautiful jari work if you see the borders and the pallu of the sarees. And next is the nice green and black combination sari. If you see all over the sari, you can see the checks, gold jari checks on the body of the sari, and you have peacock motifs in the checks in gold jari. Very beautiful weave. And the borders are in black color in gold jari weave on both the sides. It's like a temple border. And you can also see the meenakari butta in the peacock motifs. Meenakari work is like, you may, I'm using the word meenakari work, so some people may have like a question, what is this meenakari work? Meenakari is like using additional color resham jari when they do the design of the sari, when they weave. Along with the gold jari, they also use color resham jari threads. That is called the meenakari work. This is the pallu. It is very beautiful and rich weave. Very nice. And the sari looks like this. This is how the sari looks. And the pallu is in black. And the blouse for this is in black color. You have gold jari lines on the body of the blouse and jari borders on the sleeves. It is like a scoop neck in the front and it is the back. So this is how the sari and blouse looks. And the code for this saree is VGS12 and the price is $325. VGS12 and price is $325. And this is how it looks. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. Yeah, I can reply if possible now or after the show. I will reply to all your questions. And the next saree is beautiful green, and it's like a chocolate brown. Very beautiful combination. Very beautiful combination, and also the pure the weave. If you see, it is very fine weave. All over the body, you see both gold and jari motifs. It's like a Rudraksha motif. Gold and silver jari motifs are alternatively placed. It has a jewel tone actually. If you see the body of the saree, you have a jewel tone. It's like a green and brown mixed color. And the borders, you have a beautiful gold jari weave. It's a nice floral concept. And also the kati weave in the center. Yeah. The bottom border is little bigger than the top border. And this is the pallu. Look at the pallu. It has a very beautiful fine weave in gold jari. Very nice. They look very heavy and rich, but they are not, they are very less weight, lightweight. The saree looks like this. This is how the saree looks. And the pallu. And this is the pallu. Very unique combination. And the blouse for this one is in same like a pallu and the bodice color, chocolate brown color. It's like a jewel neck in the front, and this is the back, and the sleeves are in jari, and again the tassels are in jari. So this is how the saree and the blouse looks. And the code for this saree is VGS 13 and the price is $365. VGS 30 and price is $365. This is the saree and the blouse. It is a great pride to have all these beautiful weaves. We are very fortunate to have rich Indian heritage. If you see, each and every state has its own unique weave or art. It's nice to know and learn about all these weaves. Each weave has its own unique technique, speciality. That's a beautiful weaves, all these. So the next one is, it's a nice beautiful combination. This is like a plum and peacock blue combination. You can also say wine color. The body of the saree, you have peacock motifs both in gold and silver jari. This is how very beautiful. And at the bottom it is like a peacock border concept. If you see, that is like a turning border. This is a turning border saree. Turning border Gadwal sarees are so much in demand now. They come in beautiful combinations and beautiful designs. Turning borders are like, a lot of people are asking for the turning border Gadwal sarees. So let me know if you like these kind of sarees. I can get more designs in these turning borders. So coming to the pallu of the saree, this is the beautiful pallu. It's in gold jari. So you can also see the meenakari work in the turning border. So the peacock, you can see that color resham jari in green color, orange. All this is like a meenakari work. Turning borders are like, the regular jari, they weave as per the design of the saree, they weave with the legs, but in the turning borders, they do it each and every jari, they turn it with the hand. That's how they weave during the weaving process, they do it. Those are called the turning borders. And the saree looks like this. This is the saree. And this is the pallu. Beautiful pallu. It's like, you can see the meenakari work. And the blouse for this one is in peacock blue, like the borders and the pallu of the saree. This is like a jewel neck in the front and the elbow sleeves. And this is the back of the blouse. This is how the saree and the blouse looks like this. And this is the pallu. This is a beautiful combination. And the code for this saree is VGS 14 and the price is $395. VGS 14 and the price is $395. This is how it looks. Yeah, share your comments. How are you guys liking this today's collection, and what other categories you would like to see? I have been receiving so many messages asking for different types of weaves, saree collections, and also like a designer style sarees also. For Diwali, a lot of people, they prefer traditional styles and also the designer fancy variety. So very soon I'm planning another live show with the fancy variety styles of sarees and lehengas and all. Please follow us on Facebook and Instagram, so you will get all the updates about our live shows. And the next saree, this is a beautiful saree in green and dark maroon red. Very beautiful saree. If you see all over the saree, you have nice floral motifs in gold and silver jari. Very rich look, very grand. And look at the borders. They are the bottom border is almost like a 16-inch border. Very nice peacock concept gold jari. These are like this is a Kanchi Gadwal. So the borders and the pallu Kanchi borders and the Kanchi pallu. And this is the pallu. It's in dark maroon. It's a very beautiful weave. It's a Kanchi pallu. You can see the meenakari work also. This is like a you say this is a Kutu interlocking sari. Kutu interlocking saris are like, you know, to define that is like the body is woven separately and the borders and pallu are woven separately, then they are interlocked together. That is called Kutu interlocking. The Kanchi Gadwals are also so much in fashion now. And the sari looks like this. This is how the sari. And this is the pallu. Very beautiful weave. And the blouse for this is in maroon color, maroon red. This is the front and it's a complete, the sleeves are in jari borders, jari, and this is the back. And the sari blouse looks like this. These saris, they look very suitable for all the festivals and weddings. And the details of this sari, the code is VGS 15 and price is 455. VGS 15 and price is 455. This is the sari and the blouse. If you have any questions about the saris, you know, this is 1 hour live show, so I'm briefly explaining the weave technique and the speciality of the sari. But if you want to know more about of these saris, please you can call me or you can message me. I would love to discuss about this. Yeah, it's nice to know about the uniqueness and the speciality of the saris, not just giving preference to the looks. If you know the speciality and the weaving technique behind each sari, you would love more. Okay, the next sari is, this is also very beautiful combination. It's a deep gold and royal blue. This is also Kanchi Gadwal. If you see the body of the sari, you can see the peacock and also the elephant motifs in both gold and silver jari. Very unique combinations. And the bottom borders, if you see, it's in gold jari weave and also you can see silver jari weave. You have the peacock concept and also the floral. Very fine weave. And coming to the pallu, this is the pallu. This is also in Kanchi. If you see, it's a very beautiful weave with the meenakari work. saree looks like this. Very beautiful. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is in blue color. This is how. Look at the sleeves of the blouse. And this is the back. You can see the zari tassels. This is the saree, how it looks with blouse. This is the pallu. And the code for this saree is VGS16 and price is $455. VGS16 and price is $455. It's a beautiful unique combination. I picked all unique and latest color combinations and try to show variations in Gadwal. Like you saw Ganga Jamuna borders, temple borders, Meenakari work Gadwal and Kanchi Gadwal, turning border Gadwals. Let me know which is your favorite in this and which one you would like to see more. Basing on that, I can plan more choice of designs in that category. And next one is the last saree of this collection, and hope you all like today's collection. And please share your feedback and your suggestions and whatever you feel like with me in the comments box. And if you like any of these sarees, please make the booking by sending the WhatsApp message. As I said, our WhatsApp number is 408-338-8147. I can share the payment options after the show. And after the purchase, if you want, you can stop by at our boutique to pick up your saree, or we can ship to the given address. And I also, like some of you messaged me about the boutique hours. We are presently we are open for the limited hours, so like a Tuesday to Saturday we are open from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and on Sunday 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. So you can walk in during these business hours. We are strictly following all the COVID safety guidelines. You can check out our other collections, or you can discuss about the custom orders if you have any. So the next and the last saree is this is blue, again the beautiful combination Kanchi Gadwal. It's like sandalwood and purple color combination. Kanchi Gadwal. If you see again here, all over the body of the saree, you see gold and silver jari motifs. And the borders are in purple color, Kanchi borders. Beautiful weave. You can see elephants and also the peacocks in the borders. The bottom border is also bigger than the top one. I think all the Kanchi Gadwal we have bigger bottom borders, almost like 15 to 16 inch. And this is the pallu. The pallu is in purple color, Kanchi pallu with the meenakari work. We can see the meenakari work and the border and the motifs. And this is how the saree looks. And this is the pallu. This is the saree and the pallu, and the blouse for this one is in purple color. And This has round neck in the front, and if you see, these are the elbow sleeves, I mean 3/4 sleeves. It is like 16-inch length with a complete jari, and this is the back. This is how the sari and blouse looks. The pallu. And the code for this sari is VGS 17 and price is $455. VGS 17 and price is $455. So yeah, this is today's collection, pure Gadwal silk sarees. Hope you all like it, today's collection, and share your feedback and comments about today's collection, which is your most favorite and which one you would like to see in the upcoming shows also, like as I mentioned, Kanchi Gadwal, turning borders. In turning borders also, so many beautiful designs are in fashion now, so I can plan accordingly. And yeah, if you like any of these sarees, as I said, please send the WhatsApp message to our WhatsApp number. Right after the show, I'll reply back to all your messages. And please share our about our live shows and our live show link with your family and friends, so that it would help to reach more people. And as I mentioned earlier, we would continue to bring all Indian handlooms to our clients here in the US at affordable prices. This helps and support weavers community. Thank you for your love and affection and for all your feedback. I'll come up with another beautiful collection in the next week's live show. Till then, take care. Bye bye.